All right, if you don't know what an adjective is, you've come to the right place.
Yes, we are going to be describing adjectives through a game.
All right, let's get started. Oh, look at that. What can you tell me about this video?
Do not tell me what it is. Try to describe it.
We all know it's an apple, but what can you say about it?
It is red.
Yes, what else?
It has a little bit of yellow, actually.
Yeah, some yellow. I'm going to say, look, it's a little bit shiny.
Yes, when the sun shines onto it, you can see that it has shiny skin.
Yeah, maybe if you bite into it, it'll be,
Crunchy.
crunchy. Yes. Let's do another one. Ooh, what's that?
It is my favorite animal.
What can you say about this one?
I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to describe it. I can see orange, black, and white.
Yes. And you know what? I'll say it's, look at these lines. We could say it's striped.
Striped or stripy.
Yes. And I'm sure they're not friendly animals. They're fierce.
Very fierce. They need to catch their prey.
Yes. If you see a tiger that's not in a cage,
Hide!
hide. Or
Do not run. You will not be fast enough.
it'll catch you.
Hide.
Or if there's two people, make sure you're running faster than your friend.
You can trip them up.
Yes. All right, next one. Ooh.
I can see a Lamborghini
Is that a Ferrari back
followed by a Ferrari.
there? Wow, what could we say about these ones? They are
Fast. Very fast.
fast and
Expensive.
cost a lot of money.
They are not the cheapest cars around.
And when you're driving around, they
Very
look
stylish.
very
They
stylish.
do look good.
And when they're driving around, you will hear them. So they are
Loud.
loud.
You
Yes.
can hear the engine vroom.
Yes. Let's do some more.
What do we have here?
Hello.
Let's describe it. It is the opposite of fast. It is moving slowly.
Slow.
It's the opposite of young, yes.
It's probably pretty old. When a turtle is this big, it's probably old.
It is the opposite of soft. It is hard. It is hard-shelled.
Yes.
And not like the Lamborghini, it is the opposite of loud, which is quiet.
Yes. Quiet. All right. Next one. Let me give you some adjectives.
And you can guess the object.
Yes, or what it is.
Or you can guess the noun. You can guess what it is.
Let's go. It's cold.
Cold? Igloo. Maybe an igloo.
Maybe. But-
Sweet.
Igloos aren't sweet.
Yes, we do not eat igloos.
Want some more?
Creamy.
Soft, cold, sweet, creamy.
Crunchy.
I thought I knew.
I thought I knew too. And soft.
Crunchy and soft. That's weird.
That's
How can it be
strange.
crunchy and soft? Do you know what it is?
Let's see.
Ta-da!
Oh, now it makes sense. Ice cream is soft. The ice cream cone is crunchy.
Yes,
Is it cold?
it is cold.
Is it sweet?
Yes,
And is the ice cream creamy?
it is creamy, all right.
Yes, it's soft and creamy, especially when it melts.
All right. Let's do another one. All right, let's do another one. Look at these adjectives.
Cool. Wet. Refreshing. Clear. It sounds like water. Maybe a bottle of water.
Maybe a bottle of water.
Let's see.
Oh, that's way bigger than a bottle of water. That's a swimming pool.
We were quite close.
All right.
And what is the boy doing? He is snorkeling
And he's waving at
and
us.
waving. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, the water's cool and it's very wet.
Very clear.
Yes. And if you're hot and you jump in, it will feel
Refreshing.
refreshing. Yes. Next one. Friendly.
Friendly sounds like someone I know.
Sounds like me.
Yeah.
Yes. Furry.
That sounds like you too.
No, I'm not furry.
Let's see what else we have. Cute.
Cute.
That's definitely not you.
Oh, no.
Playful. I guess so.
I'm a little playful.
Yeah, you're playful.
I don't think you're not furry, so it's definitely not you. Who can it be or what can it be? Let's look. Oh,
That makes sense. It's a dog.
yes.
It is furry. Look at that furry fur. Furry
Yes.
hair.
And cute, playful,
And friendly. Yes,
Yeah.
that dog looks very friendly.
Next one.
What are the adjectives now? Let's see. Strong.
Strong. Sounds like me.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Yep, sounds like you.
Oh, maybe it is me.
Whoa.
That kind of looks like me.
That is a strong man.
Oh, what is he doing?
Look how big
Whoa.
that weight is.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
He is strong.
That weight is so heavy. Can he lift it?
Hi. Whoa, with what?
Oh,
Yeah.
his-
Too heavy.
His hat fell off. It was so heavy, his hat flew off.
Yeah, he is strong, but not strong enough.
Not strong enough.
But probably stronger than us.
Definitely stronger than us.
Okay. Let's look at the last one.
Let's see the ADJs.
Scorching.
Scorching. That means super hot. Scorching.
Round.
I think I know what this
It's
is.
not me, that's for sure.
I know what this is.
Blinding.
Blinding.
Does that
Yes.
mean something super bright?
Super bright? Yes. So super hot. Super bright. And round.
Blinding and gigantic.
Gigantic. Super big.
What could it be?
I know. It's the sun.
Holy
Yes.
smokes. Look at that.
Look how hot that is.
And it's round.
That's hotter than lava.
Scorching, round, gigantic,
Gigantic.
and blinding.
Yes, do not look at the sun for a long period
Wowzers.
of time.
Okay. All right. Wow, that was fun. That was our last one.
How many did you get right?
I probably got like 3.
I maybe got 2.
Okay. Well, hey, you know what? It takes more practice. And learning adjectives could be a little hard. But you know what? We have an online class where you can join and you can learn every day, anytime, whenever you want on our online class.
All you need to do is subscribe and join Headstart Academy.
Click in the link in the description below and we will see you in class.
Join us soon.